Hello everyone, welcome to the demo video where we are going to do L2 stack setup in your local, and it works on any Mac and any Linux system. So we will create a folder. Let's create a folder called test Mac. Now let's open it. Let's open our terminal. Here is the GitHub repo that we need to download and set up. So I will just go to GitHub CLI, clone this repo. It's cloned. Now let's follow the readme. So it is telling to do cd rome setup, to go inside rome setup folder. I'm right now inside. Now let's generate Solana Keypair from this web app. Let's go. Let's generate. Try to give 3 letters for this. Let's say I'll give like ABC. Start generating Keypair. It's generated. This is just copy this, and you need to update inside Rome setup where you got keys. Inside Docker you will have keys. So proxy sender, you just remove this and paste, save it for rhea. Again save the same thing. Okay, cool. Now let's fund this address. Fund, we have Solana UD. Make sure you have Solana CLI install, airdrop 1, and then paste the address. You're requesting 1 sol. Cool, it's done. So let's follow the readme. Now it's telling to register chain ID using Rome register UI. Open link in new tab. Let's register a devnet L2 in Rome. Let's put a chain ID. Pick a number of your choice. Let's say 778899, or maybe that will work. Arpan. Put my name. Put my email address. My Twitter. Telegram. It's same in basically. Arpan.rome. Okay, for local test. So remember the chain ID we need to update in L2 setup.sh. Here you need to update 778899, the chain ID which we have registered right now. And for the Solana slot, juniors need to go to Solana slot will be, let's go to the devnet explorer and let's copy the latest block out there on the devnet cluster. So this is the latest block, just copy it and paste it. Now this is RPC URL. Cool, I'll save this file. I think it's done. Let's again go to the readme. Okay, so we cloned this repo and then cd rome setup, then we generated the key pair, then we funded the public address, then we have registered the chain, then updated the l2.sh. Everything is good to go. I think now let's run this command. It will ask you for your password. Just enter that. After entering password, it will automatically create all the services. As you can see, Postgres, Deposit UI, apply migrations, proxy Rome. So once this is done, you can able to see Deposit UI in localhost 3000. This is for the SSL. So we will able to open localhost 3000. Once these are done, setup is complete. First time it takes a little bit time to restart everything, and then you able to pick it up faster. Let's resume back to the video. We can see the Deposit UI. Here you can see your chain ID that you have registered locally. Now we need to connect both the Solana wallet as well as the EVM wallet. So let's collect the Solana wallet. It's connected. It can show in the balance for me. Now let's connect the L2 wallet, that is MetaMask. Now localhost, connect. It will automatically connect. Approve. It's approved. Now I think I can see the localhost. Yep, local chain, as you can see right here. Now let's transfer like one sol to my L2 wallet. So for that I just need to add password. Just confirm anyway for this transaction. So once the transaction are done, you can see the balance will reflect right here. So as you can see, the one sol is being deducted and one sol will be received right here. Yeah, we can see it right now. Now what we can do is we can run the Explorer. So for this, it might take a little bit while, like it will take at least 2-3 minutes. Let's run this. Yep, RomeScout is started. It will appear in localhost 1000. So when we will open this, we'll be able to see one transaction that we have done so far, I think. Yes, once we refresh, we can see that we did that one Rome transfer previously. Right here can be seen. Now let's deploy a smart contract. Let's go to Remix IDE. This is the right thing. Okay, let's take a sample contract. Let's take a ERC20 token. Here is my token.sol. This is a standard ERC20 smart contract. I can change my token name to anything I want, but it's fine. Let's keep it that way. Now compile it. Now for deployment, we'll use injected MetaMask, and it should be able to connect to my local host. Not this one, but the local. It should be able to connect to my local chain, which is this one, and then you can see 5847. Is it correct? So it's a custom 778899 network. Now we'll deploy it. For me, it will take a network fee. Yep, done. Let's take this transaction on Explorer. You'll see a contract symbol right here. Let's refresh this page. Yep, contract creation. Now you can see that contract has been created. Ta-da! So in this video, we have done the local setup using this Rome setup repo, just updated the chain ID, just generated the Solana Keypair, funded them, and we are good to go. So we have seen the deposit UI, how we are transferring from Sol to our Sol, using that as a gas fee, and then those we have done a smart contract deployment and seen that transaction on the Explorer as well. Thank you so much. That was the video for local testing on Mac.